If you've ever thought that grey hair is just a sign of aging, it's time to completely rethink that idea. With the right hairstyle, grey hair can make you look not only elegant, but full of life, no matter your age. I know many women initially worry when their hair starts to turn grey, but they soon realize that silver hair has a beauty all its own, one that can even be more captivating than before. Across the US, more and more women are embracing their natural grey hair, leaving behind the need to dye it. Grey hair has become a symbol of confidence, modern living, and wisdom. It's not just about a change in appearance, it's a statement of personality and the beauty of natural aging. In this video, I'm going to share some fantastic hairstyle tips specifically for women over 60 with grey hair. These styles will help you feel more confident and express your personal style. You'll discover that many of these hairstyles aren't just beautiful, but they're easy to maintain, saving you time and perfectly fitting into the active lifestyle of modern women. Every grey head of hair tells a story. I believe that by sharing these stories, we can empower and inspire more women. So, if you're proud of your grey hair, drop a comment below and share your own story. I'm excited to see how our community grows and how women like you are embracing their natural beauty. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video that helps you feel confident, beautiful, and empowered at any stage of life. Grey hair isn't a sign of aging. It's a symbol of wisdom, strength, and a life well lived. It represents a journey full of experiences, challenges, and beautiful moments. When you embrace your grey hair, you're not just showing your maturity, but also a confidence in who you are and how you've grown. Just look at icons like Jamie Lee Curtis, Helen Mirren, and Andie MacDowell. These women show us that grey hair can be not just beautiful, but incredibly alluring when styled and cared for properly. Jamie Lee Curtis herself has said that she loves her grey hair because it gives her a sense of freedom and power. And that's exactly the point. Grey hair isn't just a sign of age. It's a symbol of a life well lived, full of pride and self-assurance. So, why doesn't grey hair limit your beauty? The answer lies in how we care for it. Grey hair has a different structure from colored hair. Since it lacks melanin, it tends to be drier and more brittle. But with the right care and products, grey hair can be soft, shiny, and healthy. According to the American Hair Care Association, grey hair is more prone to damage due to a lack of moisture and environmental factors. However, this can easily be fixed with specialized products like moisturizing conditioners, hair masks, and oils that contain proteins and hydrating ingredients. It's also important to avoid washing your hair too often and to protect it from high heat when styling. Take Helen Mirren as an example. She proves how beautiful grey hair can be when taken care of properly. She said that she always uses moisturizing conditioner and avoids washing her hair too often to keep it soft and not dry. This simple but effective tip is something that can really make a difference for anyone with grey hair. So, have you ever thought of grey hair not just as a sign of age, but as an essential part of your personal style and modern lifestyle? Embrace it. Your grey hair is a mark of a life full of experiences and a unique sense of self. Don't hesitate to accept and love it, because grey hair is not just a color, it's a statement. 1. The classic bob. One of the most timeless and chic choices for women over 60 with grey hair is the classic bob. Whether it's a short bob or one that hits just at the chin, The bob is a versatile and easy-to-care-for haircut that brings sophistication and modernity. It's the kind of style that never goes out of fashion, offering a youthful look without the need for constant upkeep. The bob works wonders for showcasing your natural beauty, especially when paired with grey hair. It accentuates your facial features and brings out your elegance without requiring much styling. Take Diane Keaton, for instance. Known for her silver locks, Diane always keeps her bob looking neat and classy, proving that the bob is not only stylish, but also effortless. If you're looking for a low-maintenance style that's still chic, the classic bob could be just what you need to highlight your grey hair while keeping things simple and polished. Have you ever considered a bob to enhance your grey hair? Imagine how this classic look could add confidence and elegance to your everyday style. 2. The pixie cut. Next up is the pixie cut. A haircut that's perfect for women with more angular or heart-shaped faces. The pixie cut gives off a youthful, energetic vibe, and it's super easy to maintain. This cut is a great way to embrace your grey hair while keeping your style fresh and lively. The pixie cut is ideal if you want a simple yet chic look that highlights your face and features. Helen Mirren is a fantastic example of how well the pixie cut can work on grey hair. She's often seen rocking a sleek, polished pixie that gives her a vibrant, modern edge. She said that it makes her feel free and not tied down to a complicated hair routine. If you're looking to switch things up and enjoy a more carefree, low-maintenance haircut that still looks fabulous, the pixie cut is definitely worth trying. Would you be open to trying a pixie cut? It might be the perfect way to refresh your look and give you a boost of confidence. 3. Long waves. For those of you who prefer longer hair but still want to maintain a youthful appearance, long waves are the way to go. Long waves are soft, romantic, and full of movement, making them the perfect style to showcase your natural grey hair in a way that's both elegant and effortless. Andie MacDowell is a prime example of how stunning long wavy hair can look on a woman with grey hair. She has embraced her silver locks with gentle waves that add volume and flow to her hair, creating a look that's both youthful and timeless. If you want to keep your hair long but still want something that feels fresh and vibrant, long waves are a great option. Not only do long waves bring out the best in your natural texture, but they also add a soft, feminine touch to your overall look. If you've always wanted to maintain longer hair but still feel stylish and youthful, long waves could be the perfect choice. Have you ever tried soft, flowing waves in your hair? Imagine how beautiful your grey hair would look with gentle waves that make you feel both graceful and confident. Each of these haircuts offers a different way to embrace your grey hair while keeping your style fresh, modern and youthful. Whether you go for the easy elegance of a bob, the playful charm of a pixie, or the soft beauty of long waves, there's a perfect look for everyone. The key is to find a style that fits your personality, lifestyle, and the natural texture of your grey hair. When it comes to grey hair, proper care is essential to keep it looking healthy, vibrant, and beautiful. Grey hair can be more delicate and requires a little extra attention to maintain its natural shine and smoothness. Here are a few simple but effective steps to help you take care of your grey locks and keep them looking their best. 1. Use purple shampoo. One of the most important products for grey hair is purple shampoo. This type of shampoo helps remove unwanted yellow or brassy tones, leaving your grey hair looking fresh and bright. As grey hair tends to develop a yellowish hue over time, especially when exposed to sunlight or environmental factors, Purple shampoo helps restore the natural, cool tones of grey hair. Using purple shampoo just 2 to 3 times a week can keep your grey hair looking polished without making it too dry or over-processed. It's an easy way to keep your grey hair vibrant and avoid that yellowish tint that can sometimes appear. 2. Avoid high heat. When it comes to styling your grey hair, it's important to be mindful of the temperature. Grey hair is generally more fragile than pigmented hair, making it more susceptible to heat damage. Using styling tools at high temperatures can lead to dryness, breakage, and frizz. To protect your hair, try keeping the temperature of your styling tools on the lower end. If you can, let your hair air dry or use a blow dryer on a cool setting. And if you prefer using flat irons or curling irons, don't forget to apply a heat protectant before styling. This ensures your grey hair stays smooth, shiny, and healthy looking. 3. Trim. Regular trims are key to keeping your grey hair looking fresh and healthy. Regular haircuts help to remove split ends and prevent hair from looking dry and brittle. Without regular trimming, grey hair can become unruly and harder to manage. Hair experts recommend getting a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain your style and keep your hair in top condition. Regular trims not only keep your hair looking sharp, but they also encourage hair growth and improve overall hair health. By trimming your grey hair regularly, you'll avoid the buildup of split ends and ensure that your hair remains full and bouncy. Taking proper care of your grey hair doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating a few simple steps like using purple shampoo, avoiding excessive heat, and getting regular trims, you can maintain beautiful, healthy grey hair that makes you feel confident and stylish. These small changes can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your hair, helping you embrace your natural beauty with ease. When it comes to choosing the perfect hairstyle, it's not just about personal preference. Several key factors come into play, such as your lifestyle, daily needs, and the accessories you love. Here's a guide to help you find the right style that fits your life, is easy to maintain, and keeps you looking your best every day. 1. Consider your lifestyle and hair accessories. One of the easiest ways to refresh your look without cutting or styling your hair is by using hair accessories. Items like headbands, hair clips, or even scarves can completely transform your look and add a fun, youthful twist to your grey hair. Accessories are a great way to express your personality and change up your style without needing a major hair makeover. It's also essential to choose a hairstyle that works with your lifestyle. If you're someone who enjoys being active or spends a lot of time outdoors, a short or manageable hairstyle may be your best option. Short haircuts like a pixie or a bob are not only chic, but also practical, saving you time on styling while still keeping you looking fresh. For those who prefer convenience and don't want to spend much time on daily hair care, styles that require minimal maintenance, like a pixie cut or a bob, are perfect. They're simple, elegant, and easy to care for, making them ideal for anyone looking for a no-fuss yet stylish haircut. 2. Get advice from a stylist. To really nail down the best hairstyle for you, consider consulting a stylist who specializes in grey hair. These professionals know how to work with grey hair and can provide personalized recommendations based on your face shape and lifestyle. A stylist can give you valuable insight into how to enhance your natural features with the right haircut, helping you highlight your best attributes. For instance, if you have a round face, they might suggest a longer cut with volume on top to create a more elongated look. Their expert advice will help you avoid common hairstyle mistakes and ensure you're choosing the style that best suits you. 3. Blend style. With convenience beyond just expert advice, it's important to think about how much time and effort you're willing to put into your hair care routine. A style that fits seamlessly into your daily routine will save you time and frustration. If you have a busy schedule, hairstyles like a pixie cut, bob, or other short styles are great because they're easy to manage and still keep you looking polished. Your grey hair isn't just a colour. It's a mark of a life well lived, full of stories, experiences, and memories. Don't let anyone tell you that grey hair makes you look older. Let it be a symbol of your freedom, your individuality, and your unique style. It's a sign of confidence, of embracing who you are and being proud of it. Remember, grey hair doesn't take away from your beauty. It actually enhances it. It's an essential part of what makes you stand out, your signature look. By choosing the right haircut and caring for your hair properly, you'll stay confident, youthful, and radiant in every situation. If today's video inspired you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can continue this journey together and explore more ways to help you shine. And feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts, your stories, and how you embrace your natural beauty. Our community is growing, and your voice matters. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.